This is a 2005 Buick Park Avenue. It has a 3.8-liter six-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include aluminum wheels, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather interior, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, dusk sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 62,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, it's easy to see how you can save. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Red River Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 402 Westside Drive in Durant.